Nature is nature. The problem with people, they want to beat nature. Nature is nature. Kasitoba mulavu tosobola kumenya gwe gala.
Tosobola.
Ensobi ze gwaze ebikirira. Tuyagala mumenya, tuyagala musabo yagala muwa.
I know.
You understand? It is both. Atenga kino kintu kiba both ways. It's both for women and men. Owa gwe yagala oterayo mutima gwe yagala. Gwe otayagala you won't do.
You won't do it.
Oshegera. So si kyagala kuwa basajja. I can gift you, I can do a little things. Naye biri ebya kunsinikirako.
Bompolayo si kyabikola.
Si kyabikola na.
Gama n'okubagamba okujja bakanalekeraawo. I got my lesson. Walo yali aganiddewo for 3 months.
Muna isi kirungi kuleeta basajja wo.
Nakuma nakyo.
Problem they can. Bingi nongoganye n'obudde ne mukulemerawo bakola ebirala bingi ate oba olina mukulinnya kisuka.
Mokwano. Nagala okutiisa tisaakola nti no by the way.
How it is.
I will lick yo.
Licky. Bless those people with real nudes because they've been releasing a lot of fake ones. Bless
They've been trying to anti-AI yaja these days. Idiots.
It's AI.
Mbo bakota AI abamu wabagatenga nganyagala ku blackmailinga nenga nako party eno.
Katuzegani ngenda teza nga tenzegani mbagambe it's AI.
Toshikola tatuzi tuzimanya abamu.
Baziteekako. Nemba esibirako dda bazitaddeko.
Nogana eba exes bano. Staying friends with exes, is it healthy?
I don't think so. If I stay nze kastonda banga nchali wa ex wange mba nchamuli.
That's a good one.
That's the truth.
Mba chamulya.
Sagala naye there's always that gap.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple.
All right. Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Love Life. Dorina Sasira. Enanga for the first time in many years. We have battles with this one.
Take a conga itusimbula.
Kanjira ntekako. Part no jikola. Oh, but isn't it 2 years back?
Mwana gwe.
Munange na tukola appointment twice. Atenga chemwagalako. Munango manya abantu people who they don't disappoint of like akwa hope naga during when today nakola. Yeah, we have to work. Kandabe But I didn't know what was wrong because now at that time wagenda no yogera naffe nga you're very enthusiastic ngola olegera nti bananga I'm ready, I'm willing, I'm going to come. Nenga sina kugenda okuyomba soko obuze kubalabe.
Banange Kapa etuse mugamba mutya mwebale kwagala Kapa mwebale kwagala Doreen, thank you for sticking around. Ngendo kukubengolo. So
azene mailo
onambuli ndulide omusate tunamusanza agenda sumwa bantu so sigala wano behave damwe ebibuzo. Kane kansubire muli bulungi, so let's have fun on the show.
Yeah, we're going to have fun. Mwagalako, she says it the way it is. So mwa bamanyi. Anyways, so kakati for starters. Twagala kumanya what happened that time you went silent. Nobody said nga sichakula because you used to update sometimes your status. Kati nga kabira ko status no tukesa ngoto.
Just
silence.
Nali mfumbitwa.
Ayinde ngamba ha. Oh, what's wrong?
Bampasa account yakala ne bampasa
ne bagamba
bakwandula. Bampasa. Nenteka yoko nenteka natuka nga account ezemo balancinga. Nennoba.
Nova.
Era ndi back, you know.
But I'm loud. How long has it been? Like you've been quiet for like 2 years. But I'm still in shock. Like 2 years. Now you're looking good. The echine unyisa. Size yo. Nendo za tolia.
Nina bad eating habits. Nate waliwo season wetuuka n'indya nange nesukako. Ate omubiri gwange guli very slow, responding. So balulyanse koolabo omubiri ne gugaana. Ashegeera. Mulimu wemmala omwezi mulamba nga ndya back end.
Nze kati ndi weight loss kati obutaba bwasoso kuggwayo. Bataso kungamba ndi depressed, love and man. Mukaddiye naye nagambye bajja kuba bulungi.
Why omuntu bwagejja ali bulungi bwe yeekoza na problem. Some people want to be slim. You know, some people want to cut down. Zenali munene.
Olimba Kapa.
Lina nja kutira kufananyi byange ebyedda.
Unda gakonda be.
Nina matama nina.
Because the first video dinalaba secho checho.
Atigendo labe video yange soka bagiyita tukuba pate ne mukamo banali ntandise okukakana. Naye tukuba pate which was my very first video shooting nga bansayi.
Oli munene. I have to look for
nina matama. In fact manager yazoka kusayininga ali agala tuyimbe band yo size yange. Namugamba sijja je. Nangamba but you see you look like the ladies abo bachala. Namugamba mukwano toshikola.
Tegenda kwa.
Naye okumanya endongo enuna.
Wakoga because of
by the way when I was beginning it was very very stressful. Naye ekintu kyensinga okuba nakyo was passion. Naye ate nensala munene nkola mbiri gwa dance otula.
Mokuwano wakola ate guli wamu bweguti.
Munanga ate kyesa tegwaddamu ku moving teguseetuka which is so funny for me.
Some I think even work out.
I do work out once in a while.
You do it?
It's intense.
When you feel like
once in a week, twice in a week.
So basically for you, you don't even have a diet, or random eating. When you feel like
sina diet, sina skincare routine.
Olimba kemadenge ndo kudako katikati.
Sina diet.
Zekakati munange natandika exfoliation. I've never been on any skincare area serious. Umanyi bagamba morning routine, night routine. So I used to have pigmentation. Nimanga umanyi ndiko kola skincare. Nenga na skincare nema manefukola skin. Nenga babajira bagumanzo manyi bogera nembiva kunenga they will be fine.
Sina skincare.
Ne kati ndiku exfoliation.
If it's working for you, people munange respond to different things.
There will be
babuto. My skin is just area wotempa buzibu. Oshegera responding to ewange nkozesa sabuni. If it's not geisha, sometimes it's misauso. Then negulayo ka shower gel akawunyo obulungi akalungi ng'olusi Dove, something it depends.
Newe siga.
Nenteka mchangwe, nenteka musawo nenaba bulungi. Nenkwata Vaseline nenjiwa mu oil. Because akalu bateze njanye bigonda. So nenkwata nenjiwa mu ka oil oba ka Johnson oba ka Casson, it depends on which one I've gotten. Olusi nenfuna olive oil nenjiwa mu Vaseline. Inesiga. Ngatumaze.
Kati have a very flawless skin. Ate balancinga everywhere.
So stay not skincare. Nebonteka mchalo wakati naba nenesiga ebiziga ebiriwo nembera.
Nosigala nkugambye era nkimanya abantu bajja kuloza hii Kapa kati is gatekeeping. But I don't think so.
Bachimanyi nabo.
I know.
Bachimanyi bulungi nnyo.
Kakati ekibuuzo. Tattoos. Mwanyi bangambye nkubuuze nange nebyange byenalaba bifeneka but bangambye nkubuuze tattoos zona zoina ku mubiri meaning depression heart inspiration boredom unogamba anyway I used to pain. Do you know I fear pain? They told me that often as that tingling thing inowuliranga nengamba sija bisobola yet I love
mbebe wona. And then sometimes, hey, what's wrong with you? And then sometimes, esiwa muzima nyo zimba munange, zimu. I think ezimu nadala zetwa kubanga tuli batoe, ng'okulu okubidde gy'osanze. Naye most of my tattoos.
I think this one is music.
Enondo again, of course.
Yonji mani.
Yeah, I like Enondo.
I know, that's what I love. Yes.
Champion body, that is me.
Champion body, what do you mean by champion body? You have a song?
No. Nga bwono gamba nchinyonyole ntya. Nga bwono ulia the king herself.
Oh.
So Queen
champion
Kama.
body.
So we have champion body.
This is a flower.
Kati njagala nnyo ebimuli ate njagala nnyo roses. Honestly, that's the truth. That's why most of my tattoos bimuli. Most of them, ebisinge no yonna, my butt has a rose everywhere. Wansi ku magulu yonna obiraba.
They're
all roses. Yeah, I love flowers.
Nekubati tuliko roses.
Ninako ekimuli. So yeah, I love tattoos.
So there's nothing like depression. Many people are getting tattoo because of depression.
Out of boredom, but out of depression,
out of love, no go back. Take care, Do you remember the last time we talked? Conversation ya Tumblr. Kapa, I'll never forget. People thought and they imagined. I don't remember you were giving examples.
Olaba.
No, gamba auntie, actually, even when I'm shaving,
Chekawo erinnya
lyene
sobola bulungi omwana
era lumute mwewunya nga ngoze ttatu I'll never forget I laughed.
Naye olaba
So with love,
I'm that one person nga bwe mbeera ndi mulave bingi bye nsobola okukola. Nze manyi okunyumirwa moment, by the way. I know how to enjoy the moment. Nengamba this is the moment for this and this and this.
So let me enjoy.
Oshegera ngenda bikola so that ku 15 nzikakkana. Oshegera muleme kumpiirako so. Ebintu ebimu mbikola nga it's just the moment.
It's just the moment.
So if baby wabanjagadde bulungi and they make me wanna write their on
name,
my skin,
I
will write it.
Right?
Yeah. Bwe tukoowanga
tubisangulako
nnyo.
So we enjoy the moment.
But we share the tattoo.
I know.
Sagala. So I know how to enjoy the moment, by the way.
I know, right?
Yeah, so.
Kakati, there's a video clip that emerged. You coming out of a car that belongs to King Michael. What does she have to say about that? King Michael didn't serve it.
Aka clip nange nakalaba.
Nze nzijukira yakuba muntu. Ono omuntu gwe wawoninga ng'obuze anyway tujja kujjayo. Kati yake
tugende maaso
King Michael, what do you have to say about that? Banga meka kubuze.
Me and him were working on a project. And we happened to go to the studio in the same car. Kati nali dem. Nayambadde kababo skirt ne ezo gentle shirts. So of course into the motoka bwe nali nfuluma ka skirt kali kekutte mu bike. Kati ate tekikote kituukangawo mu Uganda.
Bakola
Muganda wange. Nagenda olaba gusimbudde omugambo nengambe ngeje ngutema nange kankumire ogwange.
Era kati weewozaako nnyo kubanga I never saw that.
Bw'oba musazi wa mugambo kakkana. So nengamba maitani etuuse keite. So yeah, try to get a collab. Try to get a work. Yeah.
So did you have that collab?
It's in the process.
I'm waiting. Dance hall.
Hey, tuli mujikola katumkuru reda ina concert coming up.
Yes, but ngenda ndokugamba.
Ebimbo kubyabategekedde.
So mutegedde bambi nothing was going on, guys. Wadena yagusala leero luno. So bagamba, how do you survive? First of all, you don't have an endorsement deal. You don't stage concerts. You don't perform at functions. So how do you sustain your musical career? Do you have a sponsor?
Well, I have a lot of sponsors for starters. If you mean the sponsors that we mean, a lot of
the
them.
Other one.
I have sponsors. Number two, I do have endorsement deals.
Those I've never seen you endorse.
Later.
Just
quite a long time.
Okay.
Quite a long time. Because Sagala disappointing. I don't know if I'm going to good jump. So, deals zangu sinzi kwata kuchengendo presenting ati so kujale ngamba ngenda kute nyimba 3 nzipike. Nsubira kuzine 2 zigenda kukola. So, you can use that window for your business if you have any.
Okay.
And then by this type of period of time, sikumanyito mmanyi. Yes, so that is why people believe I don't, because bamanyi zineza myaka 5.
Deals.
Yeah, ekyokubiri.
Okuyimba kuko
I have other businesses I do. Ate nogenda kutandika ne business endala ya lingeries. Enaku zino bali nyimira ku Mirror. Oshegera nga nina obupale bw'ensubi n'enyimira mudaba bw'engamba.
Neka kati fa batalina obupale ogenda tulowoozaako.
Ngenda balowoozaako mwenna buli omu ngenda bakolera obupale. Abaana badde nga bato obutambi nga ndaba abaana bagenda onyumira lingeries.
So bakuwadde inspiration?
Yes. So neyo business egenda kujja.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes businesses, sizitaggingako nnyo linnya lyange because I want people to feel comfortable and normal around the business. Sikuntagingako bintu abantu abamu bagaana okujja okula because it's expensive to watch Omuyimbi.
Baba manyi. There are cameras everywhere.
They are so I make the business as comfortable.
No?
So they're not too large, but they're bringing me money. Number 3, I perform. I do perform. No, kakati. music wange asinga wembadde nta oba yenna abadde akolera abantu si wa mikolo waba n'abantu baffe nga nywedde sawa ya
mbimanyi nogamba mukwano
so tubeera ku bu stage muganda wange obwenja n'obukakkano naye sometimes waliwo bu stage obumu n'ogamba mwana si kasente kano sigenda kateekayo kushegera and people will think you're not doing what
yes
naye ng'ogambye okusinziira ku area tuyimbidde nakuwufa kasita musasudde ze nasali kushegera and because it's business yes so I do perform kyakibadde kyoba
But functions never ne concerts batera kukulaba.
No mbera ko
concerts I think because
I do but for people I'm close to. For example, when Omuyimbi simulabanga ko sogera nko naye mulengera bwanengera wakimanye fasa concert. Ashegera okujjako nga kyali wanga mpise nangamba waye tugenda mugundi oba tugenda mugundi. You know cause atera siri muntu mukubi wa sibera nyo out. Ashegera jaga sibera concerts but now out sibera yo. I go once in 3 months.
What? Kale banange kyewuunyisa you look
once in 3 months because in the party nyumire wange.
Obera wakano tekaga kidongo
cho. I invite people over. Tukola bu barbecue bane tukola bu get over. Oba nembe nange kenyini nsobola okunywa wala jinga ndi munju neyambudde nyumira me. Oshegera so I know how to actually have fun alone. Yeah,
I love that. So we were there so that's how you survive literally.
Yeah, I survive.
So in about different businesses kakati bogena noyimba and someone touches ya webito banyi skimpi ozambala nanga lewa forget obagena nina go ne fujjo ne gwa bito omuntu jusiri chera
nakola ki ate
ku stage when mino weyambera byagala notakaga bisocks Oba fachi, but that's all about that's your signature.
I love to stand out one. Two, I love comfortability. Oshegera so sometimes nyambala ngampulira kati wano ndi comfortable. Oshegera mpulira emirembe.
Kati bichiro byayambadde Kapa.
Outfit.
Socks nakyo comment. Nataka kakapale kale ka swimming costume.
Manyi no gamba mulembe bambi no nza socks endala bando nga you know mobuli color bring me socks in every color do you get it
really I know right
oh my god
so basically I don't kumaka bayimbe nga betegekanya zi concerts but for you zigundi ezo na yeye Kapa ye ever
no saga by the end saga ya new dalabula mu bomfuga Doreen because trust me kunsi kuno sigamba anti people should invest less in their lives na ifenna tewaje tugenda kola jipya
I know buli kibu bannange
kimu ne bono gamba kanteke mitwala 5 oba kanteke mu 10 bifaanagana tebinanja byebimu so I tend to go
so they want to know if time could go back would you still choose music for a career because these days music has lost meaning bagamba music simanyo bagochokera bagamba music business ya you as a music artist what do you think has changed TikTok yebyononye oba bano ba artists bano benyenyini bebaleinze back like we don't know what is wrong like what has happened so would you still choose music and do you still believe music ya over Uganda
I don't sigenda government music yeka I feel like bully industry
I know
bully industry music simanyi finance
kuyo batugaddewo
bully
wabitegedde batugaddewo
impose babu kakati je kizinzo gwa exactly my point
media hiyo batushoganya
so I feel like it's not just the music it is a lot of fields, a lot of industries have gotten this effect. Oshegera. Yep. Kudduka munsi. Naye katiranga bamanyi ba hustler, you work with what is present. I can see that music yakyuse, sijaga much a good day, akyuse. And this is inevitable. There was a time when band was the
ngaziri everyone ngatubukinga bus.
Oh my god, the music agenda eno.
I know.
Shegera naye kati bikyuse ani aliwo okyegedde
I know
and teri kintu kibi nga kugaana kukkiriza nogaana okukkiriza whenever you refuse
by the way
to accept nti yeno change kino kyekiguddewo
very true
so I think we just need to learn how to work with Oshegera tulwaniko n'entalira ze tusobodde olwana bye tukyusa ebiganye n'abaddewo batandikira mwana fe tugezezaako nga bali bwe baabirekawo I mean like I keep saying I always choose to live before I do anything else so I would still choose music because this is a passion Kino ekiguno omulimu wali okozeko omulimu nga tebakukaka nga naye oba ofunamu kitono enyojo like it's okay.
Tebakukaka
teri kimenya nga mulimu gwe bakase. Waliwo ekimu gye nkola nga jjo bambi nkase mikake nyongere kuyinka nga olaba nkikwatiikawo naye endongo anytime any day I'm gonna choose it.
Kati babuuza strong music attributes zo ze ziruwa.
What does that mean?
Let me check what they are trying to mean here. Music attributes. Yemana ani goyinza okola naye collabo oba kale battle balina kuzogoganya ku battle ani goyinza okola naye battle.
Nze nalaba
ne bakugamba nti nno wagenda n'okyokuuza munna sirise ne bagamba sitaka Kapa anoonya battle.
By the way nakusabako karo kana musabako meno nze nno ni mkyogere ntya nze nyumirwa nnyo hit. Like I like tension, you know. I like those kind of things. Namusabako gondi nangamba
si ready
kusobola nangamba leka nawe. You see, by the way, I've gone through a few of them. These female artists, they call me now, and I'm like, yes, mbaitanga mo because it's a very business way. Nagamba Kapa nedda. Ogamba chogamba mbuno nti notojja nti sijja. And I'm like,
nebagana.
Yeah, nenga sina kyenna mukutemu. Mwagala nnyo by the way, I love music.
Mama oli ajja binyonyola n'abagaba binneme kutegeera wano mu luzungu. In simple words, characteristics, quality or feature that belongs to a person, object. I think.
Oh, what do I stand for?
I think so.
I think they're trying to ask what does my brand stand for?
I think so.
Truth. Chechisoka. Free. You know, most people are not free.
Free person.
Okubeera free no tekitegeeza because okera kumacha n'otambula kubona ogende no free begins with you okubeera free monda, free from judgment. Ne bwonjogerako ki, ne bwogamba ki, ne bwonvuma ki, ne bwoyogera ki, as long as kuside yange si kituufu ogenda kukakana, ogenda kuwumula, tekigenda kumubinga. I represent that.
Okay.
So it's free, it's truth, it's dancehall. I represent dancehall. Good music, you know, and a lot more things about people.
Do you still have your WhatsApp group? WhatsApp group. How you do it?
Nina WhatsApp group, nina night walkers. Tubeera omwo ne tupika endongo ne tubageya ne twasama. Oshege daka pia kafuluma bwe babu no bwe musharinga busooka. We choose happiness.
What do you think about friendship these days? I remember the last time, when you went through what you went through that time, the accident bit. I remember what you said, that interview, watugamba nogamba naize mikwano. It taught you a big lesson nogamba mkobolide. Up to now, like, I don't know, did you, what them no later closer, you're alone?
Sako yange yakendera nyo ne droppinga nyo. Wow. And then I realized, I learned that twetaaga batono abaddala.
Kituufu.
Ge mazima lusitulwanyisa nnyo amazima because bajja baga repeating and it becomes a common statement. Omanyi kintu oba kyogera nnyo kati imagine nga gaya kuyimira maaso n'agamba I love you. Kitegedde mazima neera ye same reaction.
I know, be like,
yeah. Nasigaza batono abali very very effective and I appreciate all of them every day. Mukama bamperanga ekisinga kyemusinga okwagala.
Amina. Si bangu. So ka video ka trending omusajja ali ogenda mukubi n'engamba yo no ye Kapa. Why you tips?
No.
Muzibeze ne tekomanyi wabula n'okoma omwendo gumu n'enkola bwenti. Ujukira leo naye nga jukira nyize nchanyize ddo nkwagalira ne bali ngamba is Kapa okay bro. Nenga machimanyi yes yangamba tayagala muntu amumanyira. I zoomed that video nga sichikiza.
Omwami oyo. By the way, let me take you through the brief story.
Yes, I was in shock.
By booking a show. Through my manager.
Yes.
I think by way there's a deposit. oba tebaweereza deposit saabitegeera onekyenjukira nti no manager yali amwasho yali mukwano gwe kati eri kitamanga show zirimu kyaliiwo omugamba teekako ssente ntegeko Omuyimbi yenyola so ntuuka ssaawa 8 mbagamba temunateekako ssente
ezemisana
baganda bange show ya kiro Neba baganda bange bankyalira I'm taking them for boat cruise ngamba paka ku lyato tuli ku lyato tusaze tuli ku mutima nga bateekako ki deposit ziringa 10 ezaddi ezoregulo ndi Muyimbi mukazi kati ngende nonye wigi ngene tekeko lash ngende nkole njala kole makeup fune engoye awo na mafuta vuga zunga tuli mu evening hours za traffic nga manager akubira chaliwe simu nga mugamba tugenda tuuka mu late because you see guy ngamugamba okay or at least my manager said guy yamudamu nti okay because he showed me the messages twatuuka I think we should have been about 20-30 minutes late
which was not even bad
we tutuuka late bonga basimbulirawo kati manager wange mukakamu ndaba batandise omukubako saako security ntambudde na ntono zitandiko noba oshegeera I get involved I'm like you're going to respect my manager and then ensobi yamwe so time je tumala alonga tuwogana
you're even wasting more
mulete
time
balance performing ngende bedde eno badde eno kati ebintu omuntu atero bikola batayina ki
I know
ngataniko deno babuzebuza badde eno bakole ki ngamba manager yingire motoka tusimbule tuba tusimbula omaye motoka ngesimbule etambula lina
that is dangerous
oiza
no kono na gondi chi
yali alugudde buguzi
neziva
ati oba lusimbudde because what are you asking for now at that moment I forget your gender I forget your age I forget what you represent
everything
and at that point baba bagenda kunsiba
nakula bagazi budeke sawe
ate no by the door ni ndwawo bako ndwawo oba olwanyo okunzijako okuzitako okoze nnyo naye bwonzijako bogenda toba nange
namulaba who do you think you are why do you know who I am bishino ngamba sagala mmanya
ne bwe mba nkubanja bbiri ogenda zimpa
anti byebyo
options ziri bbiri nzize bali tuteese bwe yagala kuteeza nti wali sente netonjiya ngensobi yiyo totulimba
era
okuva n'olwo ne ngamba nze bwe bate bampadde balance sisimbula
oli mutu
sikyavaako nga tomazeeyo sente zange
banga mabatawanya
ate bw'oziteekako late the more late you send the money
the more late I also appear
because bw'okibaza okyamukwego
some people abana ne bamuwagenda otwala ebyuma
because banange sente zetuteekamu okuba servinga myo
kubanga yagamba nti kati goyizo kuza sente zoyina zinyamba nina bano babodegaard no basasula
timu yange jetambudde erinze sente gwongamba mbu nno nti ate olagira nyinyonyola mba nnyonyole bonna mbayimiza mbaganye mukitegedde nti tukitegedde naye gwomaze okukola balinze sente
you're being arrogant so segeza wagenda nagenda tuba performing
biki
yenga nga twawona
I know it's disrespectful oshegeera kyobula bakamiliyoni babakuba ate tugenda bakuba kati kanfuna aleeti tusimbula
akuba abasajja I think I love that I think balabanga kumanyira just
some people are super disrespectful so
that's what you saying you know obufumbo to get tuli tut
Mwana
what happened so koro era ate baje bu video baje bakusanga sangirize ne bakwata bu video ate babakwata butambwe
me and bufumbo by the way
you said ngamba yate kati what happened
kanze kusese ekintu
type wali yagala love
no kiri bwe kiti waliwo ebintu ebimu mu nsi nga nze mbirabanga part of experience not something to settle for
so you feel like
I can't wake up in the morning and I say I want to settle or I want my end game to be married
yes
but I can go have the experience
and be there for some time
nembera kono musajja nenda abeeyisa bati yango mmanyira kati mbunze nina ofumba nze kagwe tojja kati mbu kati yagalera neera tuddemu you know no janga kiba kunyumiza okikola ki geera toyogera byotamanyi
you're supposed to be there na guy rana wa chitu for kirowoza kuba yagamba ni empisa embi by the way
no itako no vumbirayo babiri no gamba bombi balina common word je bogende bagambi oyasama so njasa majirabika then bombi ne bagamba nti ndi bwenti you learn out of a few experiences
you learn
about yourself me
okunende bade yangu kuba submissive kapa
I can't be by the nego saga ngamba kuno omwezi
nena kuchinganga baby
gwe But I'm very good at a lot of things. Nagambye I love to experience.
Yes, you said.
I am very open-minded. Njagala nnyo ku-experiencing, njagala nnyo okunyumirwa. Especially safe, safe fun. And kye njagala. Bwe kyomanya nze nja ku-experiencing. Buli kimu gya kimbuza nga bagamba, kati ate wetudde
Chikola.
Yeah, but
it's not something you really okay.
I don't wake up and send him kuandika goals and plans and marriage.
I know.
Kids. Bankulimbi.
Those kids by the nachiraba. Nachona chitrending. I never yomba never fumaring. I'm don't have kids.
No, I'm not. I don't. Sina ulira spirit ye mubanja wadde mloza ko wadde yagala wadde. Sikiroza in fact ndeka by the way.
Neno nanga kubuza. Sige nakulimba I don't feel it. I love kids. This is a nice baby. But I've never felt it in my head of carrying a baby in my womb for 9 months. It has never crossed my mind. Simanyi rachi ekintu ekyo kyagaana. Either sinafuna omuntu antikolinga bulungi n'akinteekamu. Either it's just the fear. I swear, Kapa, I've never.
And neither. I don't think about it.
Come at Saturday, then I keep seeing people in the comments. Oh, kadiye, ogena kukeserango yagala omwana, ogena kwejusa. I'm like,
it's okay. People experience differently. Eyazala, atazala, banasubira okuzala fena together. Let people make their choices because everybody's living once.
I know.
I personally have not yet seen the purpose of multiplying. I don't see it yet. And I don't see it. So as far as I'm not seeing it,
you're not going there.
I'm not touching that. Mujja kunka kunne
mugenze.
Malo muteka wate mungambe mbona I'm old enough to take care of it. Gwani agambye I'm old enough. Nze mundeke in fact by.
Olaba oluse bineme wangi.
Gamba if I had another one. But
right.
I don't want even big women up because God, the emotional.
Very emotional. And then I get to see, meanwhile, I get messages in my inbox.
Imagine go to the never know. I big women up, by the way. Big mothers up. I big you for up. What TikTok what does she have on me? You have that on me. You have that one on me.
I'm telling you, by the way, right, Omanyinga, I'm coming to you for emotional support. Ata omusajja taliwo adusandeke omwana emotional support. Kumbe nawe nkujira onkoye kugabe banna buli wajja tuli ku emotional, you have to listen.
Emotionally supporting because they're also humans of their own.
Yeah, they're also needy. They are needy, true.
I think kids are the most needy. They are
needy
and it's for life.
And they're expensive. So I still feel bad.
Needy, and it's a guesswork.
Kamailo.
Kagenda kusomero tayetaaga requirements.
Kali so cute.
Shegede school fees wa mitwala ana. Requirements milioni 2. Ngawezalira mailo.
Ngo obulamu bugenda maaso.
Tayetaaga somero yetaaga mpinga damulayi.
Ukaboga ndoka don't touch that.
Terera.
Nekaterera. Nditegeera. Kali cute. Still dating for money over love. Are you choosing money over love?
It depends on how I feel about you, what you look like.
Tochali ku looks anti bangamba looks nziveeko ebyatuuka.
Waliwo omwana abandi gotulira n'ogamba ono just kamalega mujjamu for this record of it.
Wala batalina gyakutwala.
Ngola temwina gye mudda naye muzonyumira. Hey, yeah, so I don't know, it depends on who it is. There are people who come into your life and they make you feel good, n'ogamba money.
Oh yeah.
Better. Then very useless MF with money, no gamba. Take out said that that's what you're good for.
Baba zikwade no zikuwa. Waliwo agala nulizikuwa na
ati tukoganyo zimpa tuba tukola cha. Tukegera tuba tukola ocha.
Having a man. Do you know how we are like to be desperate no girl. Listen, me have a man in my life.
Nedda. If I don't love you and you're not giving me money, there's no reason you're in my life at all. Waliwo ensonga emu lwaki mwoli mulamu bwange ompa era ompeera ddala oba nkola ki nkwagala ndeeta luyi so One of the two. Either nkwagala
oba
tewali in between.
Katrina ideal man yani. Kubanga that time watugamba money yali ku table, you wanted a tall guy definitely. Gambe jukira bisinga.
Konjukize muyalinga tolo.
Wagamba tall.
Nechi chatole to by the way, chiri very important because ndi mukazi muwanvu, so we have to begin with height.
So kana ino kubanga muwanvu
yo. Ino bango nsinga ku buwanvu.
Wow.
You gotta be a 6. 5'8". So you gotta be a 6.
You're tall.
Oshegedde.
You're tall.
Bwatu wenkana Nina Rose leave me alone.
Waliwa jano nga mumpinga ina care mukwano.
Kanti kakati nta utanzo okuwensonga lwaki tugenda kuguma. Tuyogedde omwambye
compromise.
Ate otanzo leta compromise.
I deal with that tall one.
I deal tetogera kumugulirira.
6 feet.
You gotta be 6 feet.
At least
Yeah, I should really love your lips.
Man, definitely on the table.
I should. Ina bango inamu. Ate munanga ideal man yetaga kujana migugu mingi kasitaba nga yesobola.
Oshegera. English speaking ekolera.
Naye mikwano gyange simi yangu omwami wabata mai kazungu mbana. Ziri embwa zinzandeka. My love me. Nzenga I'm loving. I'm okay, but don't come if you can't speak English because these girls are.
If you can't express yourself well in English,
they'll drag me. I don't hate you because you can't speak good English.
Oh, God.
And I don't want high school English.
I don't want also that word.
Yeah, so,
yeah. Waliwe no yonge idemo accent yo. Ore chiganda ganda chinyanko lenoka. Over.
The property has been taken.
That one. What is your culture?
Mama.
You correct? Oh my God.
All about treatment yo esinzira ku serving yo. Omusajja gw'osiimye ne bwakolezo bizo nobera just.
Nebeza oli butufika basi musimye.
Kwota siimye mugana nange buli emu emansobi teri kitu
nakitagenda kuyiza.
They will do all the right things.
Wakati wala nafuna nga dragging nga mukogera tenga someone yanbadde okay with that person. Nenga ndaba nkoya.
Nakala
Kapa kati oli bulungi. Nakulagenze bulungi. Ebende wandiawo ne nkulowooza kati nga mpulira nfa.
You don't like them. I told about not liking somebody is instant.
I know.
Eyo energy ebera instant otuuka mu maaso g'omuntu n'otuula n'owulira
I think they can feel it as well.
Empewo efuuwa bulala. Byayogera binyiiza.
I know.
N'otuuka mu maaso g'omuntu n'ayogera ekikunyiiza gwe wenyini otandika okibikkirira. Because you like them. Let me tell you one funniest thing I learned.
Oh Lord, yes.
Omukazi bw'asiima guy ayamba ku guy oyo okwerimba.
Oh yeah.
The guy doesn't need to lie to you anymore. You help him lie to yourself. What ayagala ne red green flag as no time because boy wenyewe kwata red no time because zimetabo.
In fact, by the way, you're right. I think what mwagala is that even like a small thing I can useless.
Oyagala what ayagala talina cha.
Katuna noga nene ndo nasigenda musobola. Ne wankubadde nedda sijja musobola. I don't know. I think it's an instant thing. I thought I was the only one
It's nature. It's just that they've learned to go around it.
I think that's why there's a lot of pretense in marriages. Like, Olia Gamba, why? Msaja ina sente kangume wano. I'm like,
so we've learned to live with pretense. What we're to manage this? If I'm not wangala, we've made a lot of things normal, including obutawangala. Mufojo kugamba aji bali bawezanga 12 tulimo mwenywele by 40 tugenda.
It's okay. Life is too short.
So that is the challenge.
I know. So kakati dating, what do you think about dating these days? Why do I feel like I don't trust men? Okay, now what about trusting? Then they are thinking, they have normalized, they think they have not valued, they no longer value sex. Kata was the kasuku recently, I think I need someone like Warazina Kwana. I'm like Nagama almost in Gatukulachi. In fact, we're Kwana later and so you know Kunz Jam Nagama, yes, because I mean they're very normal. So these young girls over there, the ones who have spoiled to the dating game. See, she take it again. So I feel like this men either tukwana, either abakwana banje wabaloza we are scarce. See man chigenda maso.
I can't be really exact. I've had my own experiences and I can't judge it to something, but I just feel like it's a broken generation. We are the new adults by the wow. All that. So what is happening is we are reflecting how we batukuza.
Then nabo
then never mixing. You see people who were born in the 90s are in a mixture of the Gen Z and the millennials. Utegera both sides. So tuli mu generation where abalenzi teri ababuliridde okimanyi nti babuliridde nnyo abawala ne beerabira
basenga be bangi kuno era ne babagabo
owulira nnyo basenga naye bakojja tubalaba n'olusi nga tudde nabo banyumya ne twenyamira we like what did they say? What did they do?
I know
because it's not a thing. And let me tell you, the truth is everything is influenced by community.
Very true.
Muto wange jo yambuzza ekibuuzo n'angamba Kevin lwaki abawala ennaku zino batya nnyo emyaka?
That's a good question.
N'osanga omuwala
good question
ng'ali just 32 naye nga pressure mutta
nga wamugambira
nga kyogera ekigambo naye nga mutima akimanyi.
True.
Answer yange abadde very simple nemugamba it is community. Everything we resent or we don't want to be is influenced by nature, nurture and community. Kitegeera kyewazaalibwa kyoli munda bwe bakukuziza bwe bakukoze n'environment. Kitegeera so
by the way, you're right. That's why this generation one yali yakyogerako. This generation elowooza nti bwe kuvuma obukadde ekuvumye nnyo.
Exactly. Ate okimanyi nti nno era abavuma basooka basene bali n'abavumibwa bakitwala.
Thank you.
Because the community,
like I embrace it, you know.
Because the community has insinuated it. Ontegera. Community egamba nti nno ali 30
mukadde agenze. In fact bagamba odibye. Okaddiye tena na mwana. Basically you're useless. You're right.
I don't know which country that is, over Korea. Over Korea, over Babachi. I'm not sure. You can do your research. Bomo wala bwaweza 25. Teri agenda kuwasa. Okadiye, oli kisasalala, odibye, olemedde kulujja. I think Korea over
even in
Korea.
This age.
Or you know better, I think you're considered fresh and bichao ku 16.
Oh my God.
Tokirizibwa okuweza 25 nga tebannakutwala. So owasa tueri. Omufumbo yabuta yakita yafuuka mistress bamulyako bya ne bateeka. Kakati ekyo kiva ku ki? Society, community, environment. Mu environment eno najje Uganda ngali 25 nasanga ate bavuma bakata jagamba afitinge oshege.
It's good. I am so young.
So it is all the community. Ye be pressing abantu bano ye ba pressing ye tekawo embeera community lekeraawo okupushing emyaka gy'abantu. Mukitegedde nze ku side yange ndowooza omukadde atandikira ku nkaaga.
Nange bwe mmanyi.
Below that bonna baana bato. Mukitegedde. Ekyalo ekintu mulekera
kino tugamba tuzaala ddi. You're not in our stomach.
Ekyalo kyensaba. Kino sikisaba njagala nnyo abakyala ya appreciate ki kye bakola. Abakyala mulekera ozaalira abasajja abatabasabye baana. Omutima mulungi.
Ekintu ekyo tukiyimbye ne
omutima mulungi stop. Enough.
Ate n'obanga alina ssente don't.
Oba alina ssente oba talina ssente bw'aba tamukusabye. May it just be an accident and be sure it was an accident.
It was not good.
And just in case nga bw'otula wansi gwe ne weegamba omwana oyo tomwagala n'okola by'okoze engeri gy'ogenda oconsideringa munno. Mulekerawo okukaka abantu abaana ne mmala ne guys.
By the way.
This is no longer funny.
It's not funny.
Mukoze community yammwe ne mugiwa bingi. Me nga bwe nagambye earlier, I appreciate, I big up, I fear and I respect women that have had children. Bawe ekitiibwa kyonna nga bwe mpa mmange ekitiibwa kye.
True.
Naye tozalira muntu atakusabye mwana then nojano n'otukuba feminism n'otukuba ng'omusajja bw'abakyala mutumanyi abakyala nga bwe tuyitamu nga yali choice yo.
Noyagaloza ne sympathy card. All men are dogs.
Don't come here with a sympathy card when you made the choice yourself. Let men also be part of the decision making. Maybe abasajja banaatunyigira lesa than it is going on right now.
By the way,
and I need to let these people know that 2 wrongs don't make a right. Women are dogs.
Blame game everywhere.
Tell side ekkiriza abasajja tebakkiriza abakazi
tebakkiriza.
Omusajja namulaba olinga oza, me I don't believe I should be a provider. Yali bamneja, I don't believe I should be a provider. I think it is 50-50 people should love each other.
No, 50-50 what the hell?
Kakati gwe omugaso gwo gwa providing and protecting. Then not that ku side y'abakyala. How can I be submissive? Atubireke ffenna bannange, tubireke. Wewe ko tuzuire buli omu alinde kufaako.
Basagera.
Bakyaleka buli side temanyi kyeyagala.
Exactly, kintu kiganye. Ona cheating, noli na cheating.
Kiganye so let us.
Omusajja n'anyiiganye lwaki cheating. Nze sifanyi wa mukazi
ya cheating. Naye ngamba niga kuzaako outside ho, ye n'anyiiga ng'olidde bro. Kategedde. So gwe olina kuuma olinda amaloli eri ajja ali. Abaana bano.
Ate kizasa abasajja banyiiga nga ategedde tobukitinze. So for them they don't forgive.
Baina kakantu kawe kebase waliwo ka experiment kembadde nga ndabe naku zonga kanyiza. Mbule baleeta ekikopo. Mbukwata ekikopo kino. Tekamu olugalo. Atinywa amazzi. Oshegera kali mboso ganywa nedda so kirabye nti nno olugalo olusigadde luli clean. Naye amazzi gaddugadde. Kati nanga we nkugambira it is very fine. Kantekemu olugalo mazzi ago ge mwakwatiridde. Olunuuni. Oh, you can't. So nango olugalo olucheza lunenyinya similar to your dick.
Right.
Nje nyinyalanga everi.
Nkugamba.
Oshegede.
Yes.
So I'm putting that stuff in my mouth, in my body. You know?
You don't know.
So that's if you're taking it around,
there's a lot of double standards mogundi.
Side zomuke zimanyi kyezagala. So mwenyumirwe ugemu.
Era spice yabadde kugundi na mwagadde no spice ono mu Jamaica.
Nagamba he cheated so I cheated back. Right? Ate guy natandika, but that's not an enough reason. If you CKU and all the reasons that should be enough to you. Go collect your damn. Right? Chanyiza was, how do you say that's not an enough reason for you?
For you as a man.
Since I love how you answered, you said for you.
Yes.
It was enough for her.
Nagama is do for do.
Yes, it is do for me too. So it was reason enough.
Yes.
For me. If it was not reason enough for you, you can go collect more reason.
Nambuza na mubuza. Oyina boyfriends bali kana kana babiri.
Nina babiri. Mbawala wensi ne babiri.
Abobodira wale wajirabira. Sasa nambuza. Bemanyina kama right now kati bagenda kutegeera.
Kubanga kati obibuuza.
Ex-naga washo anti kati ncha wakyaliyo ko that connection yali useless. Era nze yali amwasi.
And then don't like right. You put a woman in this position and now you're mad that they're in that position.
So they have a difference. But that is not right. Nagama no. Wange chiri chitu fado manza kuwa sente. What are you going to do? Yeah. Hey, obera wange you don't pay the bills.
Amateeka gava mu Bible gagamba nti no. A man provides and protects. A woman exclusivity and submission. If you're not providing and protecting, why are you expecting submission and exclusivity?
Right?
What is wrong with you? Why are you flipping the books? Why are you greedy? So,
I know, right?
That's meant.
No, Mwana answer you say another question I hate. Body count. What the hell? You people have sense. Era nayagala nnyo mukazi lumu yaddamu omuntu recently mu yagamba mbu base mu body count nabugamba sema ze mam nakwata tunangamba.
So I want to ask this man a very simple question. Bo bajje mu comment section bajje
nyole.
Omukazi njagala okere ku machanga yegwe sempiima. Wenga sempiima oyagala omukyala akuwa ekitiibwa.
Yes.
Awooma. Afumba.
Kikulu nnyo bakyagala.
Akuwa ekitiibwa awooma afumba. Asobola zalabana n'abalabirira. She stands by you, she's supportive.
And you want respect as well.
Byonna bino kati biri zino qualities zonna ofunye Doreen. Azirina zonna qualities. Naye body count eri 60. Then nojja kuona omulala. Bwotanoonya. Kapa. Alina body count ya 2. Tawulira. Tebamubulira kyakola. Tomwasamira. Tafumba.
I know lugazigeza ayomba.
Nagamba, what the fuck are you talking about? You can't make me come. Ontegeera?
Yes.
Naye nga body count eri 2. Who are you choosing?
We are waiting for your answers, men.
Londo uwo goyagala. Ogena ne dodo otwala Kapa. She represents everything you want in a woman. Everything. Telina, in fact, when we mean about him, but Telina gena kumanya nti body count here is 60.
Otitegera.
Lya kintu kyo omunyumebula mu bwame. Oba ogenda ne kizibu because body count here is low. You feel more safe and clean.
Right?
So no bamberera. Mashegera nenga ngenda kuyisa mu bicycles day.
Yes.
Make your choice as a man.
Yes, and stop judging.
Answers zinasinga the majority nga tumanya kye baagala.
Gamwesooti.
Oshegedde bagoba ba body count, bagoba ba yasama.
Kafera tugenda.
The choice is yours.
Manange. Walogwa yatugamba. Tuloko kumaliza tho walogwa yatugamba yakukula sente. Bera kusaba sente ngako. Would you still take a man who asks when you saba sente?
Not anymore.
Nice.
You have ever dated a man
yes,
who
I remember
just kept
that
taking.
story. Yes. And we realized it later.
Okula n'ogamba naye no nonsense. Because me I'm a supportive partner and see.
Nange nzengana baby.
Zenange mnaye bwensima nsiri wala.
Saba sente. Then it's okay bompanzi twala naye watosa tompadde it's okay me I'm good like I'm a lover.
When I love you. Ati kati chiri nachi chitu kangubulye nature is nature. The problem with people they want to beat nature. Nature is nature. Kasitoba mulavu tosobola kumenya gwe gala.
Tosobola.
Ensobi ze gwaze ebikirira. Tuyagala mumenya, tuyagala musabo yagala muwa.
I know.
You understand? It is both. Atenga kino kintu kiba both ways. It's both for women and men. Owa kuyagala oterayo mutima guyagala. Ko otayagala you won't do.
You won't do it.
Oshegera. So sikyagala kuwa basajja. I can gift you, I can do a little things. Naye biri ebya kunsinikirako.
Bompolayo sikyabikola.
Sikyabikola na.
Gama n'okubagamba okujja bakanalekeraawo. I got my lesson. Walo yali aganiddewo for 3 months.
Muna isi kirungi kuleeta basajja wo.
Nakuma nakyo.
Problem they can. Bingi nongoganye n'obudde ne mukulemerawo bakola ebirala bingi ate oba olina mukulinnya kisuka.
Mukwano. Nagala okutiisa tisaakola nti no by the way.
How it is.
I will lick you.
Licky. Bless those people with real nudes because they've been releasing a lot of fake ones. Bless
They've been trying to anti-AI yaja these days. Idiots.
It's AI.
Mbo bakota AI abamu wabanga nganyagala ku blackmailinga nenga nako party yeno.
Katuzegani ngenda teza nga tenzegani mbagambe it's AI.
Toshikola tatuzi tuzimanya abamu.
Baziteekako. Nemba esibirako dda bazitaddeko.
Nogana eba exes bano. Staying friends with exes, is it healthy?
I don't think so. If I stay nze kastonda banga nkyali wa ex wange mba nkyamuli.
That's a good one.
That's the truth.
Bakyamulya.
Sagala naye there's always that gap that is going to cause we can't beat nature.
True.
Men are attracted to women.
Then dating a guy who has a lot of girls, is it a red flag to you?
It is a red flag. Njagala nnyo okubeera nga nze ndi mulungi omu maidi ate takyagala njagala nnyo
nga gwe muwala mmo.
Yes, njagala kubeera nga you know. Yeah.
So I a lot of friends, girls.
I don't even like a guy who laughs with a lot of girls.
Olimba.
Osinika kyama nnyo. Okite ekinyuma.
Ne by the way, osinika kyama nnyo.
Sagala musajja agala nnyo, you know.
Obadde polygamist.
Jonas oyo kasuka kasusaga.
Nze nabagiraba yonna naye.
Kanawe.
Nalabeko episode but they've told me a bit of the story ne bangamba doli bolaba eri ojja kwongera okutya abasajja.
Every woman has experienced that kind of nigga. Ate kati ekintu ekyo kyongera okulaga omusajja wa ssente. In fact ne kintu bakyoganya mbu omukazi bwakola bw'ati yabeera omusajja wa ssente ye musajja w'abakyala. Chobola aba lavo
waba afaanana atya kituufu bannange. Bali baagala n'amala obudde ng'akuwaana. N'anoonya obugabo bwonna n'abukuwa bwonna.
Naye omusajja wa ssente they can always buy you. They can buy you, send you back. Oba otugubadde n'akuyiwamu kino n'akutwalako wano n'akolera kino.
Ogenda ng'otugubadde ne trip yo.
Oshege ne bakutwala ku trip naye ng'ojjudde naye n'ogamba kasita ndi ku trip let me give it.
N'alyoka akwanjulira omuntu nga n'agamba sister cousin kumbe beerya.
Ennaku nga tebakyayanjula cousin sister gambirawo no. N'ogamba layi.
Olimba. Abo sinabafuna ze nebbo basisobola naye mugaba manyiira.
So
So is there a song you've ever written out of experience? See, it was about what? That was your first song. Na olimbo nalisema ina kuzina nzitagala manya.
Naira nozituko ko.
Kwali tulina mu COVID yawo. Nenga but tunaba kutuka mu COVID. Wanga
2019 COVID-19.
Netaka nkola zi Facebook lives especially kati nenteka wali ekyanyamba. Wali tulina mu copyright. Mukamba nga boss alibwataga patna. Magenda to a strike. Nenga but no her songs me be dancing to her songs that don't copyright. They are not copyrighted. Sicho checho nengateka munenzina. Sicho checho.
It was just random, you know.
It was just a random thing.
Maybe lines bigweno ne tukebera ko ko it was just initially it was freestyling. Enyimba zange singa nziwandise in the sense of freestyling. Tukaoneteka ko beat.
Ndeka kwatayo. Nakala ne walakala kawagira it seems as if it was a heartbreak song. Heartbreak, a disappointment. It was I don't have slow songs.
I have a few of them, but it's just that bafani bange tebanjagala yeyo. Buli lwanko lolimba oli slow or oli any type that is not dancing nga baga Olo nolimba nakola. Kobo ono chosen beki Kapa olimba chosen beki nga nekatidala. Why would you people be this evil? Kati onenchiga as much as I keep saying some artists tebaina dance solo. Chaka nange sina afro. Sina ozuku
katulinda wafutuvuna kutugambira
sina ozuku baganda wange sina afro spice ya mulina naye nze ninachi
kati dance hall yaina aina
era buli lwenkolo lyimba nga si dance hall tulina okumenya
kaimba kwa yimba walinga ku motoka I think tekali ka love either society or disappoint I don't know naye mu music video wali mune watu la ku motoka nipo nakajigandika kugaba mpera but your songs so you have a new song
yeah I have a new song it's called Space naye nabaddawo nga ndi mu freestyle netwali tunywa walaji chali wange nagamba abala sibaza bintu by'amasanyo nga tutamidde tuwogane bala tujifuukidde problem Nekawulia kasetme nekanyumya nenze nekawandika musimu so I decided to sit and wrote a whole song nzuyo nentagaira ko mulimba lwa bera nenziba yokola ini awendi wano ninze copywriting siba ndinti
wabayo ka sample
Mwana uli kumacha nkwagala nnyo love you my best dancer queen
I know Bella
yo I love olimba lwe babinali ndwagala nnyo so nengamba ateruge na competira kao you know, so yeah nenziba yo kalaina and the song is doing really well and I want to appreciate night walkers for fighting with me waiting for me tolerating
me ku challenge already on TikTok
buli wamu people space
as in okay mpayo ka sample ka chorus I don't know maybe ngenda kuwangala
mbayimbire panda be you don't know me nawe just ibandaba nawe kati kuleso beko nange kwe nolowozo manyi nnyo nawe fast bamundongo njagala fast
yeah your sample
space kwe manzi nanze no njagala space yeah
era bane bera tukwagala nnyo
mundi muno like
tukola
you are in my heart.
So you want to nyimba zo? Right, very talented.
I only have one song rebali bapandikideko.
So why don't you have a collab with a woman?
I do have a collab with a woman.
With who?
With Shiba. Yeah. I know Shiba busy. Choka tolu.
Hey. Busy.
Nze ndi busy nnyo.
Nkategedde.
So I have a collaboration.
Nkategedde.
Muna nina collabo ntono ddala.
Yeah. Okay.
Tono ddala.
Kati waliwo nga tumaliza wakayimba packs ekibuzo kyabadde akubuuza nga ye. Byaga mnombu ayaga kibanyonyere kibabuzabuza. You hear I ategeza ki two producers on one song kyabadde ategeza.
Oh so
you master one song.
No, so abadangamba nti nno nakola olimba lwa Sifaayo in the studio where he was
Sifaayo, yeah.
And then later nalaba ngolimba lufulumye with another studio. So kyebategeza ko munyo ne mugamba producers collaborate. Oshegera so you can go to
someone can even recommend a producer.
Yes, so ba collaborating obo so kat for example ngabo gamba nti nsobolo gamba nti kankwate buta akole ne artini. Sinti bagenda tuwa mfo kye kimu bakole. butajja kola to the best of his knowledge. Ati naye atekemu the best of his knowledge tufune one. Ngokulaba ennyimba abayimbi zibakola together nwagina saka eddoboozi and it is a beautiful song. Oshegera. So nekino mba producer it is a thing. However, sometimes osoga matingezi wa producer gundi nsasude wa producer basatu. Nsasude atin nensasula producer let's say Buta nensasula let's say Kesam. Nengenda bona nenkola olimba lweru kidyeruja then nenduteka ku table nenondo olunsingidde from which producer bwenti wenkola my music.
That's how you do
it. Ndwani asinzo jikuba nti yagundi ekubye nti yagundi ejulide nti halere yagundi baba because we are good at something.
Yeah, true.
I know these producers ogende wati ninakubira dance or nogende wakesa mnakubira badita batya ekidandali ekyo nogende wa Buta nakubira afro nga yakabiso they are all good with something.
Gamba
so nojitekano nojulyako mu dance or nojulyako mu type kyo nogamba which one is better this version you release. Kati omulezi kyabadde akubuza nti wakola negundi oluyimba ati olutane gundi. Yet yes, that's exactly what happened. I worked with 3 people and I chose the best.
Okay.
And I'm not saying nti bali si bakabi ono akabi, I'm just saying
a matter of
yabasinga.
True.
Yes.
Kati sifa you, what were you thinking about it? Were you drunk still?
I don't know. By the way, Sifayo, I had Sifayo before I had Sicho.
Really?
Mara Sifayo na Ruina before I had Sicho. My manager just yangamba Sicho no tumutekeyo ozeko no sense.
No sense.
Then olyokote Sifayo.
Ngambye boss rumu yambuze nagamba ne mama you love that girl. Because I just love her songs. I do something about her, I love her song. I hadn't even met you at all. No jane kudebe ne nkulabawo. Gonde no sense. Ngeranza nya. So it was before.
Yeah, there are so many songs that tuta later and that was really before dala.
Tukane Sifayo na kwata.
Namulina era yaliwo. So ngendo okuta Sicho nga Sifayo already wali ne muzza ku gundi ne editing ne nterezano ne ntereza wali.
Ate ne kanyuma. Sema matine concert oba yonte na muda basinga bataba support leke. Bisatu.
Kinga kola ku stage.
Kya kigule table.
Ebanagula table eziwerako
twetaaga
table za fenga asatu.
Tuleme kuzwala.
Eche ekirala promotion ne singa promo tables stage.
Tubyetaaga.
Ajaba.
Nacheka mu sente bana twetaaga kwa kubulire stress ya concert sibwo okutana Kapa. Sagala demo mbuleko.
Jackal fact bahaji babana abagenda oteka mu concert nagenda okumpa after stress. Banjaya kanenetaga ya antereka for 2 months nga concert yewe. Ampenga bekika tukakanireko wano cause yo walona byonna bitegeka. Shegera. So I want to be ready and I need.
I wonder we shall do that concert. Good thing your favorite.
Gonna come.
People love your music. Like your songs are very, very unique.
Ninze kaninde vinka amalirize.
Ya vinke ja tumalenga.
Then tuyingire Kapa.
Domoto nsaba mukamalimu ko gundi ne vinka.
I
feel like mwezo kubira eddalo awo in my mind. But it's okay.
Ngina mukubira.
Okay.
Ngina mukubira.
Kale, any last words? Me have had fun today.
Nange waliwo ekyalo okujjako beebaza mwebale kugumiikiriza mwebale kubeera mwebale kunwanira ntalo mwebale kunvuma mwabasinga nze
kyezolobanga by the way before kataba kubulabula kawo ku TikTok nadala kati oba ogenda n'okulanga challenge wano oyogera bikini wabakuba ngokwata ekyo kigabo kyawandise kyenyini no kiteekayo nini ngamba kapo idedda
ninga digwega muli bwenyingira comment section yange nga teri mu ku negative mpulira nine njempulira nga njempulira nga nebuza where are my people because those are my people
nzikira bashi walona iya ataba mugaze ambaje ko comment section aba neba
nyumire wanze feeding kuchi I no kwata ku comment section njagala nze kati manager ngolusi yatera ngokujja na hiding negative message ne mugato tasinyulya tonera bulamu. What is wrong with you?
Leave the comment section.
I want my comments.
Once
era mulinga mfane ngamba my goodness this kind of hate is beautiful. There is somebody aliyo nga yense
ngobusu
nga ino busungu bubira kugumba
no kwata comment kanyu no kateka nasokova mu moto kana otanenga neka.
Yes, you've not met people who know how to feed off bad energy.
By the way, yeah, By the way, they love that projection. I take a star projection eyo nakulaba nga kikulu nnyo.
Kati yenze. But I feed on that. But temuma, in fact, gwe mwagala ngwe mulekerawo kumabambite because mujja kunsuula. Do not leave that comment section. Mujje mu bungi.
Mugale muvume
musabule mu bungi.
Bas teaching.
Yes. Good. I know how to feed on that energy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So banange, Kapa Kat is back. I'm glad and Bambi don't get lost again.
Sachi kusubize.
Naye kuno ngenagezako kunoonya.
Ngenagezako kubeera consistent naye temwewuunya ate.
Ngero obuze.
Chege temwewuunya kugamba kimu yeyo Kapa.
So there's one project out there, more projects coming out.
I have a lot of projects. I have
That's
collaborations
nice.
in store. Nze simaina kumanya. I'm excited about this year until a Hajj does us apart.
Period.
Until Hajj does us apart.
Ate boba yagala bahaji mutya abamanyi bahaji webali.
Njagalayo bana.
Yes.
Only 4. Owa stage, owa tables,
owa promotion.
Nana Mpembe janga concert yewedde. Wanga kigenda kuba kiva kwokya. Esibadira.
I figured. Hi guys.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple.